we are going to discuss about list concept in Python. List is nothing but it's a collection of elements or enclosed within a square bracket. The elements may be either homogeneous or heterogeneous. The syntax is just like open square bracket, element 1, comma, element 2, comma, element 3, and so on. Okay, these are the list operations. Find the length of the list, concatenation, for that you have to use plus operator, repetition, you have to use star operator, membership operator, in and not in. Then we can use the max of function, min of function, sum of function, okay, to find the maximum number in the list, minimum value in the list. Okay, we have to sum up the list. Okay, we will see the demo. Say for example, if I am defining A is the list, we have to use the square bracket 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if you print A, okay, you can check the type of A. It belongs to list type, and you can find the length of A. The length of A is 3, and you have to concatenate. I have to concatenate. Further, I have to get another list. B is nothing but 4, 5, 6. Then you can say that concatenation you have to use plus operator. Then A plus B concatenated. The result will be just like, okay, 6 elements are there, and you have to use the repetition operator for that. Okay, A star 3. Then the A list is repeated 3 times, thrice the times. Okay, then the result is okay 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. You can use membership operator in and not in. Say for example 1 in A, the result is true. Then if I am saying that 4 not in A, it's also true. If I am saying that 4 in A, then that time it returns a false because 4 is not available in the list. Then you can find the maximum element in the list. Max of, before that I have to say that okay, max of A. Max of A is nothing but the values 3 is the maximum value. Then max of A is nothing but 3. Then min of A is minimum number in the list is nothing but 1. You can also sum of, before that okay, if you sum up the list, the result is 6. Then you can say check sum of A. The result is 6. The next is all operation. Okay, this all operation, before that you have to create another list. B is equal to I can say that 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 4 elements are there. The first element is 0, right? If I am saying that all, it returns true if all the elements of the lists are true. Okay, here one of the element is not true, then the result will be okay, false. Say for example all of B, okay, it returns false. Similarly you can say that C is equal to, if I am defining another list, say for example it is a false, and then 0 and then 1. Zero, 1. Now you can check all of C. Then again the result is false because it returns a true if all the elements of the lists are true. Here there are 2 elements of false value. The first one is the boolean value is the false, second one is the numerical value is the 0, then it returns a false meaning. That's why the result will be false. If I am saying that any of C, then you can, there is no consideration at all. Then if you have any values, then the result will be true. Then you can convert one type to another type. You have to use a list. Okay, convert an IEEE tuple or string set dictionary to a list. You can use a list of, say for example, we already know that the string s is equal to hello. Okay, it's a string. If I want to convert the string into list, for that I have to use l equal to list of s. Then if you print l, okay, then all the characters are stored in the list element one by one, and you can sort the list. Say for example, this character should be sorted, okay, sorted of l based on the ASCII character, it is sorted. Then for that E, H, L, L, O, okay, then the elements are sorted. Okay, these are the operations on the list. List methods. Okay, for that you have to create a list first. I can say that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. There are 5 elements in the list. So suppose if I want to use the append method, A dot append of, if I want to add another element, say for example 6, okay, the new element is added at the last position of the list. If you print A, then the new element 6 should be added at the last. Then you can also insert the element at anywhere. Say for example, if I want to insert the new element at the 0th index position, and then the value is also 0, then it is a 0th index position. Now the new element value is also 0. Here the new value should be inserted, the rest of the values are shifted one position. Then the result is, okay, now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can insert it anywhere, right? Say for example, A dot insert of, okay, if you want to insert the element after the 4th, insert the element at the 4th position, and then you can say that the value is 10. It is also possible. The 4th position, the new value is inserted. Okay, the 4th position, the new value is inserted. The rest of the elements are shifted by one position. And then you can use a sort method. Okay, A dot sort of, the elements are arranged in an ascending order. Okay, elements are arranged in ascending order. Similarly, A dot reverse of, then the elements are reversed. Then you can print the element, okay, 10, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Then you can use A dot pop off. It is used to pop the last element in the list. Then it returns the value. Okay, the last element value is nothing but 0. You can specify that if I want to pop the particular element, A dot pop off, you have to mention the index position. Say for example, if I am saying that 0th index position, then it returns the 10th. And if you print, okay, the 10 is also removed. And you can use a remove method. A dot remove of based on the values. Suppose if I want to remove the element 4, then it is removed, but it is not return any values. Okay, the remove function, it removes the element from the list, but it not return the value. Say for example, print A, the 4 is removed, but it is not returned. In case of pop method, the particular element is removed and it is also displayed. If the element is not found, then the time we can say that the value error will be happen. Similarly, if you are using the pop method, during the pop operation the index position is not available, then it returns an index error. And then you can also find, say for example, if I want to define another list B has a value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 times 5. Now I want to apply the count function, how many times the 5 is occur in the given list. Okay, then B dot count of, then which element I need to count it, the 5. Okay, 5 has 4 time occurrence. Then you can also use the copy method. Say for example, if I want to copy B dot copy of then it copies the entire B elements into C. Okay. And you can find the length. Okay, len of C. How many elements are there? There are 8 elements are there. Okay, len. Then you can apply min, max, and you can also say that C dot clear of. Then it clears all the elements. Okay, there is empty element. You can also delete the element del of C. Then it remove the list. List comprehension provides a concise way to apply operations on a list. The syntax is just like expression for iteration variable. Here the iteration variable name is item in list. Then for each iteration, the iteration variable we can also check with a certain condition. It is also possible. Okay, this representation to make your problem statements and operations very concise and shortest notation or shortest way of comprising all this operation in a single statement. For example, if I am saying that L is equal to, I can take this example. Okay, the operation is applied x star star 2, then we are applying the exponentiation operation for x in range of 0 to 5. Then starting index 0, then ending index, if I am saying that 5, then it iterate up to n minus 1. Then first iteration it is a 0, it should be exponentiated, then 0 power 0 into 0, the result is 0. Then next iteration x is 1, then 1 into 1, the result is 1. Then next iteration x is 2, then x 2 into 2, the result is 4. Okay, similarly it carry on, then the result is just like when you print L. Okay, we can get the same result. Okay, we can also apply the conditions also. Say for example, if I want to extract only the even numbers in the list. Okay, even numbers in the list. Say for example, print of, okay, I want to extract only the even numbers. Okay, then x for x in range of 0 to 10, and you can check if x mod 2 equal to 0, then first iteration it gets the 0th value. Okay, it iterate up to 9th element. Okay, first iteration it is x value is the 0 mod 2. Okay, the result is 0. Then we can print the x value, and if it is a 1, the condition is not matched, then it does not goes for the expression part. And similarly keep on doing it, and it prints only the even list. Okay, it prints only the even list. Okay, similarly you can apply for here I am using the range for getting the numbers. Similarly you can iterate the strings, it is also possible. Okay, you can check anything, okay, with the help of list comprehension. Next topic is tuple. Tuple is immutable. We can say that a collection of homogeneous or heterogeneous elements are enclosed within a parenthesis. Enclosed within a parenthesis, element 1 comma element 2, and so on. Say for example, these are the following operations are associated with the tuple: length, concatenation, repetition, membership operator, iteration operator, comparison operator, maximum, min, and you can also convert any data types to tuple type. Okay, we will see the demo. Say for example, how you have to define a tuple. For that, if I am saying that t equal to open parenthesis, I have to mention the element 1, 2, 3. Okay, then don't forget tuple is the immutable. Okay, you can check the type of t. Okay, it belongs to tuple, and then you can apply okay length of t. Then there are three elements are there. Okay, you can concatenate it. Say for example, I want to use t1 equal to 4 5 6. Then if you want to concatenate okay t plus t1, okay, the result is just like merging of merging of two tuples. Then you can make a repetition, say for example t star 3, then the first tuple is repeated thrice. That's why a tuple consists of 1 2 3, then it is repeated 3 times. Apply membership operator, say for example what okay t is equal to okay, we can apply membership operator. Before that I have to redeclare t values, t equal to 1 2 3. Then if I am saying that 1 in t, okay, it is true. You can also check okay 4 not in t, again the condition is true. Okay, we can say it's a membership operator, in and not in. And you can use iteration operator. Say for example if I want to iterate for I in t and I want to print I, each and every iteration the particular element is retrieved and it printed. Okay, then it prints 1 2 3. Okay, we can use for iteration. And you can also make a comparison. Say for example t1 is equal to we have another tuple with the value of 4 5 6. If you want to compare okay t is equal to t1, okay, it is not at all true. Okay, if you make a aliasing, then that time we can have a true value. Say for example if I am taking t2 okay as the alias value of t, that time I can check t equal to t2, then it returns a true value because both t as well as t2 referring the same tuple. Okay, it consists of the value 1 2 3, and you can find the min of t, then max of t, maximum element is 3. You can convert any type to tuple type. Say for example if I am saying that any type, say for example if I want to define L as the value of 9 8 7, okay, it is a list type. Now I want to convert this into tuple type. Okay, then t tuple of L, it convert the list type into tuple type. You can check type of t, it's a tuple. Okay, next we are going to discuss about a dictionary. In Python, dictionary is an associative array also known as hashes. It consists of key and value pair. Then the key and value pairs are separated by colon operator. Okay, you can put more than one key and value pairs. All the key and value pairs are enclosed with a curly brace, open curly brace and then close curly brace. Okay, now we will give a demo for how to create a dictionary. Say for example a equal to, you have to use the curly brace and you have to put a key. Key is the 1 and the value is also 1 in the word. And then similarly you can put 2 is the key and you have to put TWO2. Okay, all the key and value pairs are key and values. Okay, key and values are separated by colon operator, and all these key and value pairs are enclosed with the curly brace. Okay, you can also check the type of A, that time it is a dictionary type. Then you can also accessing the dictionary element through square bracket symbol a of 1. Okay, then a of 1 in the sense it returns the one through index position. You can also through key, okay, you can access it. Say for example, if we want to access a of 2, then the second key is matched and then that value should be retrieved. Then you can say that you can also update it. Say for example, I want to update a of 1 equal to, if I want to update this is a lowercase letter, instead of I have to write uppercase letter, okay, it is updated. You can check a, okay. Then the first index, first key as the value of one, it is capitalized, okay, it is updated. Okay, you can also add the new element, okay, a of 3. Okay, you can use the indexing operator. Okay, indexing operator, within that index we are specifying that the key value, okay, we are specifying that key value a of 3 denotes the key, and then I can give the value. The new value is nothing but THRE. Then it is also included in the dictionary. Okay, you can also check the membership operator. Say for example, based on the key, you can check whether the particular dictionary is available, whether the key and value pairs are available in the dictionary. Say for example, if I am specifying that 1 in A, okay, then the particular key is available. If I am saying that 4 not in A, it is not, it is also true because the 4 is not available in the dictionary. And dictionary methods, okay, these are the following methods are available. Okay, the first one is the copy method. Say for example, A consists of 3 key and value pairs are there. I want to copy this A dictionary to B dictionary, then B equal to A dot copy of, with the help of one copy of method, it copies the entire A dictionary into B. You can also check the type of B, it becomes the dictionary. You can check whether both A and B are same, then it returns a true, because both A dictionary as well as B dictionary contains the same set of key and value pairs. That's why it's true. Okay, you can also say that if I want to retrieve A dot items of, okay, this method, it returns the dictionary, this dictionary converted into list form. Okay, just like the dictionary item, okay, items consists of 1 and then 2 3 in the list format. Okay, list format. And you can extract only the keys, it is also possible. Okay, say for example, A dot keys of, then it returns the all key elements. Similarly, A dot values of, it returns all the values of the dictionary. Okay, dix underscore value is 1 2 3. Okay, similarly you can pop any value in the dictionary. Okay, dictionary is the mutable, so you can update, delete, and you can remove. Those things are possible. Say for example, A dot pop off based on the key value. Okay, if I want to remove the key, the first key, based on the key matches, the particular key and value pair is deleted or removed, then you can check, okay, the first key and value pairs are removed. And you can set some default value. Say for example, A dot set default, if I am saying that it's a fourth key as the value of 4. If 4 is not available in the dictionary, then it creates a new key and value pair and it is included. Okay, then now the new key and value pairs are inserted here. Suppose if it is available a dot set default of 2, then the 2 is already available, then it returns the value. With the help of an update method, you can update the dictionary. It is possible. Say for example, if I can say that B is the another dictionary. It consists of the key and value plus 5:5 and then 6:6. Okay, another dictionary. Suppose I want to update a dot update with B, then all the elements of B is updated with A. Okay, look at the B is also appended in the A dictionary. Okay, next method is from keys method. For that I have to declare dictionary first. Okay, D of 1:1 and then 2:2. We know that the dictionary elements are enclosed with curly brace, and key and values are separated by colon operator. Key is immutable, and whereas value is mutable. Then you can say that dict dot, before that you have to create a key. Say for example, I want to create another 2 keys, the default values. The keys 3 and 4, and you have to use dict dot from keys comma value. I have to give some default value like 3. Okay, instead of that I can put val. Okay. Okay, for that 3 and 4, the default value is nothing but val. Okay, we can update. Okay, how you have to update? For that you have to use the index position, but in that dictionary we are not at all saving this information in any of the list. Say for example, if it is D1 is equal to, just like D1 is equal to, if I am using the same operation, dict dot from keys of value. Now you can update. Okay, D1. Okay, D1 of, okay, the 3 is nothing but it is a key. Now I want to change this key value as the 3, and D1 of 4 equal to 4. Okay, now you have to check D1, it is updated. Okay, you can find the length of D1. There are 2 elements. Now if you want to clear the elements in a dictionary, okay, there are 2 elements in the dictionary, then you have to use the a dot clear off, and it removes all the dictionary elements. Now it is an empty dictionary. You can also delete del of a, it removes the dictionary. The next concept is list as array. Is a collection of similar element. Okay, now we already know that list consists of homogeneous elements as well as heterogeneous element, but it is a list as array. Then that time the list contains only the similar data items. Okay, it is useful for all the mathematical operations. Okay, this type of array will be very helpful. Say for example, if you want to use a list as array, you have to import the array package, and then I want to define the new array list. Import array as AR. Okay, I am creating the alias operator and AR. Okay, AR dot array of, and then you have to mention the what type of element should be stored. If I am saying that the type is I, then it is integer type, and then you have to put integer list 1 2 3 4 5. Now this belongs to this type of okay, what is the type it belongs? Say for example, if I am saying that t is equal to, I am creating the new array list with the integer element. Okay, AR dot array of, okay, integer, that's why I, and then it has 5 elements are there. Okay, you can check the type of t. Okay, it belongs to array type, and then we can append, okay, a dot, all the list operations are applicable. A dot, okay, now I want to do all the list operations using the list methods. Okay, say for example, t dot append of, sorry, AR dot t dot append of, the new element is just like a 6. Okay, it is added at the end of the list. Okay, you can check. Okay, the new element 6 is added at the end. You can also insert at the specific index position. Say for example, t dot insert of, in the 0th index position I want to insert a 0, and then it is inserted at the 0th index position. The new value 0 is inserted at the beginning of a list. Okay, beginning of the list. Okay, you can also use all the list method operations are applicable. Say for example, t dot pop off, then the last element should be removed, and then you can also index a particular element. Say for example, t dot index of, okay, index of the third one, then it returns the 3. Then you can also reverse it, t dot reverse of. Okay, all these operations are applicable. In addition, you can apply for mathematical operations. Next operation is a set. Next operation is a set. Is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements. Basic uses includes a membership testing and eliminating the duplicate entries. Set object also supported mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Okay, these are the purpose of a set. If it is a set, the elements are enclosed with the curly brace. Say for example, if I want to create a new set, S equal to curly brace, I want to give the values 1 1 2 2 2 3 4 5. Here if you using any duplicate values, then the set is returns only the unique value, right? Then it removes all the duplicate values. It retains only the unique values alone. And you can also perform union, intersection operations, difference operations, and symmetric operations. Say for example, S1 consists of S1 is another set. It consists of the element 4 5 6 7. Okay, suppose I want to find the union. Okay, S dot union of S1. Then we know that S has 1 to 5.
then S1 has 4 to 7, then it adds 6 and 7 in that new result, right? It is a union. You can also find the intersection. S dot intersection of S1. Okay, then the common elements of the both sets are retrieved. Okay, common elements. Okay, that's why the 4 and 5 is retrieved. Then you can find the S difference of S1. Okay, the elements which is only in the A portion. Okay, only in the A portion or S portion should be retrieved. Then 1, 2, 3 is as a result. Similarly, if I saying that S1 minus S, then it returns the element which is available in the S1 portion alone, not both. That's why the result is 6, 7. And you can also find the symmetric difference. Okay, the symmetric difference is nothing but the letters in S1 or S2, but not both. Say for example, if I am saying that S dot symmetric difference of S1, then it returns the element just like, okay, it returns all the elements except the elements which are available in both. Okay, the 4 and 5 is removed. Okay, you can use the set methods. Instead of that, you can also use some symbols. Say for example, S union S1, then it is also the same operation. You can use the symbols also. Okay, yes, and then S2, then at that time it returns the intersection operator, then it returns the 4 and 5. Sorry, yes, intersection S1, then the 4 and 5 is returned. Then you can find the symmetric difference. Okay, yes, cap, and then S1, the symmetric difference. Okay, you can find yes one difference S1 minus S minus S1. Okay, the S1 portion alone it displays. Okay, now we are going to discuss about a demonstration program for all these concepts: number, category, string, list, dictionary, tuple, and set. Okay, the first demonstration for the number concept, check whether the given number is odd or even. Odd or even. Then you have to get the values. Number is equal to int input of number, and if number mod 2 equal to 0, then the given number is even. Otherwise, or we can say that else the number is odd number. That's all. You have to save the program and just press F5 for run the program. The number is, say for example, 5. Okay, it is odd. Okay, one more run for a even demonstration. Then the number is 100. Then it is an even number. Okay, the next program for demonstrating the given string is palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. Using string concept, for that you have to read the string. Original is equal to input of string. After reading the string is converted, should be reversed. For that you have to use a slicing operator. IAB equal to org of colon minus 1. Okay, with the help of a slicing operator, then we have to reversely iterate each and every character, and the given string is reversed. It is stored into REV, and check if var g is equal to reverse, then print palindrome, else print not palindrome. Just to save the program and run it. Okay, the string is just like a madam, this is a palindrome. Okay, one more run for non-palindrome string. If I am saying that other character, other string welcome, it is not a palindrome. The next program for linear search, using list concept. For that, if first we have to get the elements, and EL is equal to int of numbers dot split up. Then it retrieves the numbers, and based on the delimiter space, it is split into substrings. But the substrings are belongs to string. The substrings are belongs to okay. Next we are going to see the linear search using list concept. Element equal to input of the numbers dot split. Okay, it denotes getting the string as the input based on the space as a delimiter and split it into substring, and it is stored into ELE in the form of list. And you can convert this into integer type. For that you have to use list of map of convert the given elements into integer by applying the map operation. Then it is applied, and then you have to say print L. Okay, what are the elements are available in the list, and you have to get the key value. Then key is equal to int and then input key. You have to read the key value, and you have to check whether the key is available in the list. For that, for I in L, if I equal to key, then the particular element is available. You can say that print key is found, and then you have to put break. Then you have to exit from the current loop. And if the you iterate all the elements in the list, but the element is not found, then you have to put else print the key is not found anymore. Then you have to run it. Then the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if I want to search the element 5, it is found. Then one more element, one more search. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then if I want to search the element 7, okay, this element 7 is not available in the list. Okay, next concept we can go for a dictionary. Print the histogram for all the words in the string. Okay. Histogram in the sense how many number of times the particular word is repeated. For that I have to use a dictionary concept. Say for example the element equal to input of string. Based on the space, you have to subdivide it into substrings, and you have to convert. Okay, default it is in the list. Okay, you can create a dictionary object
is equal to bit of, okay, that is the dictionary object. For we can iterate the elements one by one. Okay, for I in element, if I not in D, okay, the particular key is not available in the dictionary, then you have to add the new key in the dictionary with the value of I, with the value equal to 1. Else, if the word is not available in the dictionary, you can add E of I plus is equal to 1, and you can print D, okay, then how many times the particular word is repeated, and you can print the histogram string. For that we have to use the iteration for key comma val in the dot items of, and you have to print key comma, and then the value, based on the value the particular characters will be repeated. You want to repeat as symbol, okay, number of times based on the value, and print in order to run the program. You have to run this program. After saving it, you have to run it, and it getting a string just like this is good, this will happen, so this is our duty, this makes happy. Okay, this is a given string. Look at this is repeated 4 times in the given string, and this is repeated 2 times. All other words are repeated 1 time. That's why the histogram. Okay, this is repeated 4 times. We have to print 4 as symbols, just like a histogram we printed. And next is the tuple. How for finding the min and max element in the tuple. Min and max use tuple. I have to define a function def min underscore max of t, and a takes the minimum element in the tuple, b is maximum element in the tuple, and you have to return a comma b. First you have to read the values. Say for example t is equal to tuple of input but first you have to get the elements. Input of numbers dot split of. Okay, you can give more than one values. Okay, based on the delimiter space, it is splitted and it is stored into T. Okay, default it is the return type is the list type. You need to convert. Okay, T is equal to tuple, and then I have to use map function, and this collection we have to apply integer operation, integer, then it is converted into integer, and you can find, okay, you have to call the min and max function, then
a comma b is equal to min underscore max of 3, and you have to print the result. Print min is a and max is b. That's all you have to save the program and run it. Okay, you have to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then min is 1 and max is 6. Okay, next concept is set concept. Set concept. Then you have to get input first. Element is equal to input of numbers set 1 is set 1 numbers dot split of and this should be converted into set 1 values based on the delimiter space. All these elements are converted into list, and you have to convert it into the list into set. Say for example, S1 is equal to set of, I have to use map function, convert all this string into integer value element. You can print S1, then that time it returns only the unique elements. Similarly for set 2, and it converted into integer, and followed by you are displaying S2 value. Then you have to apply the operations, just like print union S1 by plain symbol, it denotes the union operation S2. Okay, it lists it displays all the elements in the set. And print intersection, you can use the ampersand operator S1 ampersand S2. Print difference S1 minus S2, then it displays the elements which is available in set 1 alone. You can find the symmetric difference. Print symmetric difference S1 cap operator S2. That's all. You have to run the program. Then the set 1, say for example, value 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3. Look at it, returns only the unique values. The default set, it removes all the duplicate elements. It retains only the unique element. Similarly, I have another set 4, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, 6. Then it retrieves the unique elements as a 3, 4, 5, 6, and then if you are performing the union operation, it performs the union of two sets when in the entire element in the sets are displayed. Intersection, what are the common values which is available in both the sets, it should be displayed. And then difference, okay, the S1 set alone displayed. Symmetric difference, okay,
it lists out all the elements except the elements that are common to both the sets.